Hello! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing upper or the lower button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this. And this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon. You will see that the Do Not Disturb mode on message appeared at the top of the quick panel, and also the icon changed the color, it got highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go to watch face, you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also lets you know that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. The icon will go back to gray color. You will see the Do Not Disturb mode off message, and the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.